Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check which graphics card is installed on your laptop. So, how to check that? I'm using Windows 11 OS. So, go to Start menu. This is the simplest option. Then go to the search box. Then search for Task Manager. Simply type task. Then you can see the result and get Task Manager. You can see there is task manager, and the left side menu there is a second option called performance. Click on that. Okay, then you can see options of CPU, memory, disk, and GPU and GPU1. So normally GPU 0 is internal graphics card, and I have internal graphics card of Intel UHD graphics 630 630. Okay, and I have dedicated graphics card of NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000. So I have two graphics card. Normally saying I have two graphics. So that's guys, in this simple tutorial you can simply identify which graphics card is installed on your laptop. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Windows or Mac or Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.